So hello, welcome guys, welcome to my channel Technical Nikki. Now in this video I will explain about the footprinting in hacking. What is the footprinting in hacking and how do you hacker use this, okay, and for what hacker use footprinting in for target his client. Okay, so let's go ahead, keep your eyes on the video till the end. This will be very interesting and very exciting. Okay, so please guys watch the video till the end without skipping any moment. So what is the footprinting? Okay, footprinting is a technique that is used for gathering the information about the target and the computer system and clients and etc. It means a hacker's target can be everything that is belongs to the internet. Okay, it means an organization, a mobile or a computer, laptop or a pupil or any human. Okay, like that a hacker can access the information about a person through his device, any device, that is laptop, phone or the computer, and also for a company or a organization. Okay, and he can get the usernames and the passwords and the more information, and by the hacker is gather the information about his target, because he want to know that his opponent or the target is powerful to him or not, and if we hack the his client or the target, then it will be harmful for him or not, and it have any risk for it. Okay, so he want to know that, and there are so lot of things for hack gathering the informations. He can lose or theft your informations. Okay, so if you want to gather the information about the for a website or any web application, so there is the web structure that basically have every websites have this basic structure. Okay, so it means if this website https abc.in, it is a random website, it is not a general or a legal website. I have typed it randomly, and it has two pages. First is home and the about us. If the hacker want to gather the information about the user and passwords, so he has to follow this hack all this from here about us to this path, from your contacts, and then this one he have to go to this way and follow this way for hack user and passwords page in the website. So that is the basic structure of a website. So if you let's make a and listen, I will not make a practical or show you a practical of the gathering information. I will show you an overview for this. If you want to gather the information about a website, so you just have to type site. If you want to know some related pages about the website, then just type site colon and the site name. That I have a random website that is abc.in. Okay, then it will show you some pages that belongs to the abc.in. I have typed it randomly, but it has the some results www.abc.in. it has the so many results that belongs to the site.abc.in. that is the first 3D software 3D abc.in and the abc.in contact 3D99. Okay, and if you want to know the structure of the website, then just type the website name. Okay, just abc.in/sitemap. Okay, then just press enter. Okay, wait, sorry, we have to type sitemap.xml. now it will show the structure about the website. Okay, so just wait. So just type the URL bar here abc.in. okay, then sitemap.xml. not found, because we have entered the randomly URL of any website that is not available on the internet, so it's showing this error. But if you enter a valid URL of any website, then you will get the structure of a website. Okay, and if you want to know the admin or find the admin or something, more information about the user, their sensitive data, then you have to go a website whois.net. Okay, just wait. Whois lookup. So here you have to enter the website URL, and then you will find your domain starting place. You can find the domain and the owner of a website and the personal information about the website. Okay, so you can enter any website that I have, abc.in, then enter. That is a randomly website. Then you can see domain abc.in registry domain ID or something like that. He is showing that. Okay, so I hope guys you got this, and if the video is helpful for you, please guys subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, share with your friends. If you new on my channel, please subscribe this guys, and thanks for watching. And the thing is, gathering the information of your target is called footprinting. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching.